Hello everyone, my name is Nigel Fellows-Freeman and I work with insurance companies to simplify the complexities of insurance tech. Today I want to talk a little bit about the drivers of customer loyalty and run through a few different scenarios that I think can help all of us and all insurance companies might be listening to this of thinking how to approach driving customer loyalty in your companies. So there's a few kind of key points to really consider. The first one is that kind of agility and empathy are super important when you're thinking about any sort of generation of customer loyalty. Customer expectations, they definitely don't stop at policy quotes, claims or renewals. It's really around the whole experience. And not meeting their needs and expectations can very quickly lead to a loss of customer loyalty and then those customers churning away. And so how can you do it? How can you change it? How can you think about improving customer loyalty across the product lifecycle? There's a few things and we'll maybe talk through a few now. So the first one is thinking about anticipating a customer's needs. And so before a customer even gets to you, generally they gather a bunch of information through a huge amount of interaction points through the digital journey. And so they're definitely not ready to buy when they first come across you, and they form a general understanding through a bunch of different touch points, and each interaction is helping them take them further closer towards a decision. And so from this, it's really helpful to have data on that customer, because then you can kind of anticipate what their behavior is going to be over the next few steps. Think about what they're buying as a policy holder, anticipate those needs and then surface the right messaging to that customer, and that will build loyalty because they'll feel like it's personalized to them. If once you started to personalize, you can start analyzing their kind of unique situations. If you kind of, as you start to go through a customer journey and you have information on that customer, how can you personalize the experience to that customer? That customer then feels a one-on-one relationship with you, the insurer, and that can really kind of generate a bunch of customer loyalty and obviously ultimately kind of lead to kind of more conversions and larger purchase policy prices. And then kind of really thinking then in terms of reinventing and innovating. So clearly creating kind of new products that could potentially adapt and change to your customer, will make your customer think that you're thinking about them and you have them at the center of everything. And that kind of really will generate more and more customer loyalty. You can think about it when you think about your friends. If your friends reached out to you and thinks and anticipates your needs, so that grows you a closer bond, and there's no difference to buying an insurance policy. It's the same thematic there. So if you can kind of change your policy, dynamically change the policy to match your customers' needs, that's going to drive customer loyalty very, very quickly. And finally, thinking about making sure you provide a huge amount of value. So kind of value can come from in a number of different ways. That can come with partnering with a really large distribution of ecosystem. If you think about embedded partners, you can imagine like a Tesla, for example, kind of partnering with an insurance company to deliver an insurance product inside of the Tesla itself. All of a sudden you have a really connected insurance experience, and that's going to drive loyalty too. So there's just a few ways that you can be thinking about driving customer loyalty within your insurance programs. And if you feel like you want to get any more information, make sure you jump into the blog and have a look at this, more details in there, or contact any of us here at Canopy, and we'll love to chat it through. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to talking to you about the next one.